Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to create groups in Microsoft Entra ID. So let's get started. As you can see, I am already logged into my Entra ID tenant. On the left-hand side, under the menu, I can click on Groups and then go to All Groups. Here, you will see all the existing groups in the environment. To create a new group, we simply click on the New Group button at the top. Now, when creating a group, there are two types available: security groups or Microsoft 365 groups. In this video, we will be focusing on security groups as these are the most commonly used in most organizations. At a high level, security groups are used to give members access to applications, resources, and also to assign things like permissions or licenses. Whereas Microsoft 365 groups are more focused on collaboration, things like shared mailboxes, calendars, SharePoint sites, etc. So for this video, let's go ahead and select security. For the group name, I will create one called HR Users. And for the description, even though it's optional, I recommend always adding one. For now, I'll just keep it simple and add the description as the name of the group itself. Next, you will see the option Microsoft Entra roles can be assigned to the group. I will leave this as no for now. This is something I will cover in the next video. Now, moving on to the membership type, there are three options here: either assigned, dynamic user, or dynamic device. For this first example, we will go with assigned, which means we manually add users to this group. So under members, I will go ahead and select a couple of users. And once that's done, I will click create. Now we are taken back to all groups page. If I refresh, we can see the new group we just created here. Let's open it and take a quick look. Under overview, you can see the group type is security and the membership type is assigned. If we go into members, we can see the users we manually added. So these users now belong to this group. And that's how you create a standard assigned security group in Entra. Now let's move on to the next use case, creating a dynamic group. We will follow the same process. Click on the new group, select security, and this time I will name it as Help Desk Admins. Again, I will keep the description simple and I'll leave Entra roles set to no. Now under membership type, this time I will select dynamic user. As soon as you select this, you will see an option here called Add Dynamic Query. So what this allows us to do is to define a rule based on the user's attributes, and Entra ID will automatically populate this group based on that rule. Let's go ahead and add that rule. For the property, I will choose department and the operator will be equals, and the value, let's set it to customer service because I know that there are users whose department attribute is set to customer service. Now, as you can see this automatically generates the rule syntax here. So what this means is any user in Entra ID whose department is set to customer service will automatically be added to this group. Now, I will go ahead and save this and then click create. Once the group is created, if you go into members, initially you will not be seeing anything here because dynamic groups takes a short time to evaluate and populate. After a minute or so, if I refresh, you can now see the users have been automatically added. Now to verify, what we can do is we can choose one of these users in this group, go to their properties and confirm that the department matches the rule. And that's exactly why they have been added to this group. So just to recap, what we have covered in this video is we have created two types of security groups. First, an assigned group where we manually added users, and second, a dynamic group where users are automatically added based on a rule. In this case, department. Dynamic groups are particularly useful when you want to manage access at scale. Instead of manually assigning users one by one, you can define a rule and let Entra ID handle it for you. depending on your organization's requirements, you can choose the approach that best fits your use case. In the next video, I will be covering how to create groups that can be assigned Microsoft Entra roles and how to manage those role assignments using the proper and secure approach. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. I'll see you in the next one.